Very nice bird. It's my 18 family of jackanet. I did a crossover from Danny Horner. That's where I start from. I start from what you call who was it? Turner Burst, Color Burst. Yeah, James Turner. Then I got introduced for the certified club bird, which is no colors. Well, that means I have to do my color. So, which is I start balance the breeder. So this is what I got. I got white grizzle, red barge, got these blue check. Those are mainly still carry a lot of Danny Horn stuff in there. I did because that was what I had was just all Danny Horn. Then got a few of Mike stuff, Mike Moda from the Bay. Then since then, fall in love with those birds. So start getting it, and keep them active. Very deep bird right here. It crashed a lot of time when came in the row, and now so far like it seemed to. I thought it was gonna be a call, and now it's like keeping up really good. The kid, roll with the kid. Very nice spinner too. So we gotta wait for this smoke to be over. Some of my 2020 birds. No, those are 2020. So this blue band right here, that's I think 2019. Yeah, 2019. Then this black band right here, these are my this year 2021 babies. The oldest kid was born. Now it's like, well, I say about 6-month-old bird, 5-6-month-old, but they doing really good with the kid. Like this red one, it's fast, nice, damn, very nice red. So far, I had a lot of red. I got a lot of torque grizzle. I got the old school torque color, but new school breed. I got this super grizzle. Yeah, my 18. You guys ready? They seem to be ready. So, yeah, just a little, record my bird. Show you guys that, don't worry, when time comes to fly, we fly. Yeah, all nice big bird. All same size, all bird look the same. So, alright, yo, peace out.